part 7 of the crochet butterfly top. Flip your work and slip stitch into the second double crochet and then into the third double crochet. Chain up 3 and double crochet in that same spot and insert 2 double crochets in the next spot. Chain up 2 and insert 2 double crochets in that first spot. Each spot gets 1 crochet and the last spot will get 2 double crochets again. We're just repeating the last row. Reminder to put 2 double crochets in this last spot. Chain up 2 and insert 3 double crochets in that second spot. Chain 2 and insert 2 double crochets in that first spot. 1 double crochet the rest of the way until you reach the end. The last spot will have 2 double crochets just like the beginning. Reminder to insert 2 double crochets in that last spot. Chain up 2 and insert 2 double crochets in that first spot and 2 double crochets in the next spot. Great job, we just finished 5 rows.